Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Job Search Guru for You, your one-stop destination for job updates in the analytics domain. So if you're a first-time visitor, I would like to tell you that on this platform, I post regular job opportunities related to data science, data analytics, Power BI, SQL, Python developer role, or business analytics domain. So if you want to stay ahead in your job search with regular job updates, do not want to miss out a single job opportunity, then subscribe this channel right away and let's build your future together. आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपके लेके आया हूँ इस वीक की जॉब्स रिलेटेड टू पावर बीआई डेवलपर और बीआई एनालिस्ट डोमेन से रिलेटेड. So if you're a fresher looking for any entry level job opportunity or if you're an experienced professional in this field, either way this video is worth watching. इस वीडियो में आगे बढ़ेंगे और रिव्यू करेंगे जॉब्स किन लोकेशंस में जॉब्स हैं, व्हाट आर द नेम ऑफ द कंपनीज, लोकेशंस ऑफ द कंपनीज, व्हाट आर द रोल्स एंड रिस्पांसिबिलिटीज, सैलरी बेनिफिट्स दीज कंपनीज आर ऑफरिंग, एंड व्हाट आर द टेक्निकल स्किल्स रिक्रूटर्स आर लुकिंग फॉर एंड हाउ वी कैन अप्लाई फॉर दीज जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज. और जो भी जॉब्स हम रिव्यू करेंगे उन सभी जॉब्स के एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स आपको मैं प्रोवाइड कर दूंगा डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स पे टू चेक दैट. और अगर आप चाहते हैं आपको डेली बेसिस पे रेगुलर जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस मिलते रहें रिलेटेड टू डेटा साइंस, डेटा एनालिटिक्स, पावर बीआई, सीक्वल और पाइथन डेवलपर रोल, यू आर अ मिड लेवल प्रोफेशनल, अ स्टूडेंट ऑफ डेटा एनालिटिक्स, or you're looking for any fresher job opportunity or for any internship job opportunity, then do not forget to subscribe this channel right away. Follow my Instagram page and my Facebook page as well. बिकॉज मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पेज पे एक डेली जॉब अपडेट की सीरीज चल रही है जहां पे मैं आपको इन डोमेन्स रिलेटेड डेली जॉब अपडेट्स प्रोवाइड कराता हूं along with the job application links. So if you do not want to miss out a single job opportunity, then follow both the channels and also subscribe this YouTube channel. At the end of the video, अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आता है, जॉब्स आपके लिए हेल्पफुल हैं, then do not forget to press the like button and share this video to your needy friends as well. और जब आप ये चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें, then do not forget to press the bell icon and click on all so that you can receive all the job notifications whenever I am publishing a new video on this platform. और अगर आपका कोई क्वेश्चन है, कोई सजेशन है इस वीडियो से रिलेटेड, देन डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू सेंड योर कंसर्न एट callcentertalks26@gmail.com, or you can also reach me out through my mail ID, or you can message me directly on my Instagram handle and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Now before heading to the laptop screen, just a small request. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आता है, जॉब्स आपके लिए हेल्पफुल हैं, आपको लगता है इस वीडियो ने आपके जॉब सर्च में हेल्प करी है, then do not forget to press the like button, share this video to your needy friends and also share your feedback in the comment section. Because your like and subscription mean a lot and it helps me to reach more people who need this information or more needy candidates. And by subscribing also, you'll get regular job updates related to these domains. You'll also learn how to improve your skills, interview tips, career development tips, also how to stay motivated with career advice and guidance. So do not miss out and hit the subscribe button right now. अब रिव्यू करते हैं आज की jobs. So the first company in the list is Vertex Plus, hiring for Power BI developer. Job locations in Noida, salary as per company norms, experience 2+ years. Key responsibilities: translate business requirements and hypotheses into analysis and insights to aid business decisioning. Conduct full life cycle activities which include project requirement, data collection, data cleaning, data exploration, analysis, analytics, and client reporting. Ability to work with structured as well as unstructured data. Should have excellent problem solving skills. Conceptualize KPIs to measure, track, and benchmark performance in various aspects. Also collaborate with internal stakeholders to manage data logistics, including data transfers, understanding data structures. Skills and qualifications: bachelor's in computer science, data science, or statistics, finance, economics, or related. Minimum 2 years of experience as a BI analytics or Microsoft Power BI experience. And if you have good knowledge of RDBMS concepts and design model, that would be an added advantage. A strong understanding of SQL, T-SQL, MDX, or DEX, and experience of working with the SharePoint app model. So if you have these desired skills, you are also comfortable with key responsibilities, job location, you can click on this link and you can apply for the job post. And this link is available in the description box of this video. Let's move to the next job. Company name is Yash Technology, hiring for Power BI developer. Job location is in Bangalore. Salary would be competitive. Experience 2+ years. Roles and responsibilities: assist in designing, implementing, and supports the enterprise BI dashboards and reports. Develop reports, dashboards, and KPI scorecards and aggregate data from various sources. Also work with other teams to gather and document reporting requirements and to use the underlying data sources, data warehouses to meet business requirements. And support to conduct training programs and knowledge transfer sessions for junior developers as needed. Skills and qualifications: bachelor's degree or equivalent, Desired skills, good experience with an in-depth knowledge of Power BI, M, and DAX functions, knowledge and experience in development of reports, dashboards, KPI scorecard, aggregating data from multiple sources, experience in designing dashboards on phones and tablets, background in data warehouse design, good experience in ADF using linked service datasets pipeline to extract, transform, and load data from different sources. So if you have these required skills, you are also good to go with key responsibilities. Then you can apply for the job opportunity by clicking on this link, and this link you'll be getting in the description box of this video. Next company in the list is Investec, hiring for Power BI analyst, job locations in Mumbai, experience for 3 years, and salary will be competitive. Roles and responsibilities: gather, analyze, and interpret complex financial data from various sources to inform TTOPs and CLM, design, develop, and maintain Power BI dashboards and reports that provide actionable insights for stakeholders, collaborate with IT and data management teams to ensure data accuracy and availability, provide training and support to team members on the use of Power BI and data visualization best practices. Skills and qualifications: you need to have at least a graduate degree to apply for the job post, familiarity with SQL and data extraction techniques, understanding of financial concepts and metrics relevant to treasury and trading operations, analytical skills, excellent analytical and problem solving skills with the ability to interpret complex data, and effective communication skills, both verbal and written. So if you think you are a right fit for the job post, you're also comfortable with job location and salary as well, you can click on this link and you can apply for this job opportunity. Next company in the list is Cummins, hiring for Power BI analyst, job locations in Pune, experience for 3 years, and salary would be 5 to 11 lakhs per annum estimated. Roles and responsibilities: developing and delivering multi-mode communications that convey a clear understanding of the unique needs of different audiences, actively learning through experimentations when tackling new problems using both success and failures as learning fodder. Also actively seeking new ways to grow and be challenged using both formal and informal development channels, and identifying, understanding, and correcting flaws in data that support effective information governance across operational business. Educational qualification: bachelor's degree in data science, economics, computer science, stats, or related field. Also desired skills: Power BI, DAX, SQL, SSIS experience analyzing data and developing clear and accurate conclusions required. Develop expertise in supply chain data models, SQL Server, base data model, and provide support to product and or process owners. So these are some key responsibilities and required skills for the job role. And this is the link to available to apply for this job opportunity. Next company in the list is McDonnell, hiring for Power BI analyst, job locations in Mumbai, salary competitive, experience 2 to 3 years. Roles and responsibilities: collect, compile, and join datasets from multiple sources as human resource information systems, develop standard ad hoc reports, collaborate to ensure reports are accurate, timely, and high quality, analyze data to discover information, business value, patterns, and trends to help guide business decisions, communicate findings, and provide recommendations to all levels of leadership, all other duties as assigned. Qualifications: bachelor's in computer science or information system, experience building data visualization that effectively communicate information, experience building secure data models for role-based access control, experience using Power BI to collect, transform, model, visualize, and share data, and ability to select and join disparate complex data sets. Experience with the Microsoft Power Platform would be preferred. And this is the job link to apply for this job post. Next company in the list is Spec India, hiring for a Power BI developer, job locations in Ahmedabad, salary 5 to 11 lakhs per annum estimated, experience 1 to 5 years. Roles and responsibilities: Power BI report development, building analysis services, reporting models, developing visual reports, KPI scorecards, and dashboards using Power BI desktop, connecting data sources, importing data and transforming data for business intelligence, analytical thinking for translating data into informative reports and visuals, and very good communication skills, must be able to discuss the requirements effectively. Skills and qualifications: educational qualification, BE, BTech, MBA in technology, computer science, or information system. Desired skills: must have Power BI, SQL Server database, but if you have SSIS, SSRS, SSAS database experience, that is nice to have. And this is the link to apply for this job opportunity. Next company in the list is Lumel, hiring for Power BI analyst, job locations in Chennai, salary 3 to 7 lakhs per annum estimated, experience 0 to 3 years. So if you have good knowledge of how to create Power BI dashboards, SharePoint, but you do not have any prior experience, at that time also you can apply for this job opportunity. Key responsibilities: create reports and dashboards using Power BI and provide insights and recommendations. End-to-end implementation of business intelligence projects, especially in KPI scorecards. Work with architects to support project efforts from a technical perspective. Assist with design and deployment of the customer workloads. Educational qualification: bachelor's degree, computer science, engineering, or related field. Hands-on experience with a thorough knowledge of data source integration and advanced dashboard application development. Good understanding of data warehousing, understanding of data modeling techniques for analytical data, and performance tuning of BI reports. Knowledge of formal application, database architecture, and design. So these are some key responsibilities for this job opportunity. And this is the link to apply for this job post. Next company in the list is Alfa Laval, hiring for Power BI developer. Job locations in Pune. Salary would be competitive. Experience 2 to 4 years. Roles and responsibilities: proficiency in designing, developing, and maintaining solutions within the Power Platform ecosystem. Ability to look beyond the technical requirement to understand the business value and discuss solutions directly with the end users to ensure satisfaction with your deliverables. Also, experience with estimating the development effort for our technical solutions, knowledge on requirements gathering and testing. Ensure that your solutions are scalable and secure. Qualifications: college degree or equivalent industry experience in information system, business analysis, or data analysis. Experience with SQL, Power BI, Azure, Blue Prism UiPath, Blue Prism certifications, excellent communication skills, and experience with presenting technical solutions to stakeholders, and staying updated on new features and opportunities within the automation area. So if you are comfortable with roles and responsibilities, qualification skills, you have desired skills, then you can apply for this job opportunity, and this is the link to apply for this job post. So friends, these are the jobs for this week for the role of Power BI developer and BI analyst. I hope you like this video. Do not forget to press the like and share button if this video is helpful, and also share your feedback in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching the video. Have a great rest of your day.